Here is a comparison on Nano Banana and Seedream. Nano Banana is a revolutionary AI image generation and editing where you can edit image to image and edit text to image. You can also edit the aspect ratio depending on what would you like the result be. On the other hand, the seed RAM is a AI image generation where you can go ahead and edit a text to image model. You can also go ahead and select if you want a portrait ratio or landscape ratio and just go ahead and put on the prompts or what would you like the seed RAM to create. Now here's a table for a concise comparison. For the feature, for the primary strength, Nana Banana is a real-world accuracy, while Seed RAM is a photorealism. For use case focus, Nano Banana is a professional content, while Seed RAM is an artistic projects. For output speed, Nano Banana is generally faster, while Seed RAM is typically slower. So if you want to work fast with a real-world accuracy and has a professional content, you can go to Nano Banana. But if you're taking your time and if you want a photorealism, you can go ahead and select Seed RAM.